2009-2016 Mercedes E-Class Upgrade Central Control. This is my friend's old Mercedes radio. He came to us today and said he was going to modify it. This is the tool and configuration power cord we need to use. To begin the upgrade, first, we use a hook to reach into the air outlet to find the small holes on both sides, and then loosen the clips inside the holes. Then we directly remove the air outlet panel and unplug all the plugs inside. Here, we loosen the screws that secure the radio host. Note that there are also two screws here that we need to take out with an elbow tool. After unscrewing the screws, directly pull out the original vehicle host and pull out all the wires on the back of the host. Next, we use tools to remove the screen frame of the original car. After removal, unscrew the screws that secure the original vehicle screen and unplug the plug on the back. Next, we'll pass the power cord of the new car radio through here. After finishing, we will insert other plugs and new power cords into the back of the host. Replace the host and secure the screws. Next, we install the base of the new screen. Then we connect the power cord plug and LVDS plug to the back of the new screen. After installing the screen, we will install the air outlet panel back. Our voice is transferred through a UX. If your car does not have an AUX interface, you can use an FM audio transmitter to transfer the sound. We turn on the car radio and tune to the same channel as the FM transmitter. We can play the sound through the original car speaker. Let's test it out. It supports music and DSP tuning. It also supports high-definition video playback. It supports the important function CarPlay, through which you can make phone calls, listen to music, use map navigation, read phone information, and more. Let's take a look at its parameters. It's Android 11.4.6 for memory car radio. It supports button manipulation of the original vehicle and retains the original vehicle system. Support synchronous display of air conditioning. There are many rich functions waiting for you to experience. Thank you for watching.